Hello friends, in this video let me solve 2019 year GATE Engineering Mathematics questions related to the concept diagonalization of a matrix. I already upload the concept video, keep watch if you need to. The first problem is if Q equal to 1 3 by 3 matrix is given and P equal to V1 V2 V3 is the matrix where V1 V2 V3 are linearly independent eigenvectors of the matrix Q. Linearly independent eigenvectors of the matrix Q. Then we have to find the sum of the absolute values of the elements of the matrix P inverse QP. This question is from XE department. It has 2 marks. In this problem, I use one process, that is diagonalization process. If A is a square matrix with distinct eigenvalues and whose eigenvectors are linearly independent, and M is the matrix whose columns are the eigenvectors of A, then A can be diagonalized by the similarity transformation M inverse AM equal to D, where D is the diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are the eigenvalues of A. By using that process, I can write here Q is the matrix and P is the V1, V2, V3 whose column vectors are the eigenvectors of the matrix Q. That eigenvectors are linearly independent. So Q can be diagonalized by the similarity transformation P inverse QP equal to D. By using that process, I can write P inverse QP equal to D. Because here the eigenvectors of the Q are linearly independent. P inverse QP equal to D. Here D is the diagonal matrix. That means principal diagonal elements only numbers, other elements are 0. That diagonal elements are the eigenvalues of A. So I write lambda 1 0 0 0 0 lambda 2 0 0 0 lambda 3. This is the D matrix. Lambda 1 where lambda 1 lambda 2 lambda 3 are the eigenvalues of Q matrix. Eigenvalues of Q matrix. P inverse QP equal to D. D is the diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are the eigenvalues of Q. In this case, suppose the question is asked to find the sum of all elements of the matrix P inverse QP, then that value equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3, that is sum of all the elements of D. Because these two matrices are equal, so sum of all the elements of these two matrices are equal. So sum of all the elements of P inverse QP is equal to sum of all the elements of D. All the elements are lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. So lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is the answer. Here lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the eigenvalues of A. So sum of the eigenvalues equal to sum of the principal diagonal elements by using the property of eigenvalue. So immediately say lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 equal to sum of the principal diagonal elements is 3 plus 3 6. Many of the students made a mistake in this place. Immediately they were right, the answer is 6. But 6 is the wrong answer because the given question is asked to sum of the absolute values of all the elements of the matrix P inverse QP. The sum of the absolute value of one matrix is differ from the sum of the all the elements of the matrix. Because suppose one of the eigenvalue is negative integer, that means suppose one of the eigenvalue is minus 3, you have to take that value, absolute value of minus 3 is 3 only. Then only you can add 3 plus 3 other two eigenvalues. Okay, so the sum of the absolute value of that matrix is differ from the sum of the all the elements of the matrix P inverse QP. In that case, you have to find lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 values. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are eigenvalues of Q. So in that place, in that case, you have to find the eigenvalues of Q. How to find the eigenvalues? First I find the characteristic equation. Next I solve this characteristic equation. I can get the eigenvalues of Q. Okay. What is characteristic equation? Lambda Q minus C1 lambda square plus C2 lambda minus C3 equal to 0. where C1 equal to sum of principal diagonal elements, that is 3 plus 3 6. C2 equal to sum of minor of order 2 of the principal diagonal elements, that is minus 15. Minus 15. C3 equal to determinant of A. C3 equal to determinant of A, that value is 8. So finally I got the quadratic cubic equation. Cubic characteristic equation is lambda cube minus 6 lambda square minus 15 lambda, because C2 is minus 15 plus C2, so minus 15 lambda. Here this is minus, so minus 6 lambda square. C3 is 8, but the characteristic equation is minus C3, so 8 equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. You have to solve this equation. You can get three values. These three values are eigenvalues of Q matrix. Okay. First I use synthetic division. I got lambda equal to minus 1 is 1 root, and I got another one quadratic equation, that is lambda square minus 7 lambda minus 8 equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation. Again I can get another two eigenvalues, that are minus 1 and 8. So finally I got three eigenvalues, minus 1, 8. Here the elements of D are minus 1, 8. Okay, these are the eigenvalues of Q. These are the elements of the matrix D. Okay, so the sum of the absolute values of the elements of P inverse Q is sum of absolute value equal to absolute value of minus 1 is 1 plus 1 plus 8. This is equal to 10. So the final answer is 10. Answer is option B. This is the final answer. In this case, you have to find the eigenvalues of Q. Then you have to take the absolute value. Again, you can add. Then we get the correct answer. This is the answer, option B. This is the only one problem belongs to the GATE 2019 year engineering mathematics questions related to the concept diagonalization of a matrix. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel to encourage me. Thank you.